The earliest known form of accounting dates to the Mesopotamian era 3100 BC to 539 BC, when writing, money, and counting were developed. During this era, temples became the center of commerce and taxation. The advancement of record-keeping quickly gained a need. Similar record-keeping systems were also noted during the time in different parts of the world. As civilizations advanced, accounting became more organized and the practice of auditing, or verifying the books for accuracy, became common in ancient Egypt. By the time of the Roman Empire 27 BC to 395 AD, detailed financial records were being created to record detailed information about the financial state of the Roman government. The field of accounting gradually gained widespread use, but remained mostly of simple methods. Modern methods of accounting weren't widely known until an Italian mathematician named Luca Pacioli published a book entitled Summa de Arithmetica, Geometria, Proportioni et Proportionalita, translated to English to mean Summary of Arithmetic, Geometry, Proportions and Proportionality. This book contained a summary of mathematical methods as well as the first recorded description of an accounting method called the double entry system. It is important to note that Pacioli did not create the methods of double-entry accounting, he simply described the methods that were currently in use by Venetian merchants of the time. After the publication of Summa de Arithmetica, the book became the only textbook that covered accounting topics for the next 150 years and became the premier book for accounting apprentices to learn the profession. Many of the earliest known accounting vocabulary, such as debit, credit, account and journal, originated from Pacioli's writings. Pacioli eloquently described the reasoning behind writing the Summas section on accounting. "I have decided to compile an accounting manual. Such a manual is much needed by businessmen. I have put it together in such a way that, whenever necessary, everything essential to understand accounts and bookkeeping may readily be found. My wish is to provide the minimum number of accounting rules for businessmen to keep all their accounts and books in good order. So why did it take so long for double-entry methods to be created in the first place? The answer has to do with the complexity of business transactions of the time. During the Venetian era, businesses began to become much more sophisticated in their structure and operation. Of notable significance during the time was the development of interest-based bank loans. Businesses began to create business operations that were largely financed by bank loans. A common theme seen throughout the development of accounting is that accounting methods are developed after complex business operations were created. As a result, many accounting research courses focus on understanding complex business transactions first and then devising methods to properly record and report those transactions. The double-entry system of accounting described in the book allowed for recording advanced accounting transactions and became the basis for modern-day accounting information systems. Based on this work, Luca Pacioli is often referred to as the father of accounting, due to his contribution of recording the accounting methods used in a double-entry accounting system. In the late 1880s, accounting professionals began to organize into trade organizations to advocate for the profession and create standardized sets of rules and methods. Many aspects seen in modern professional accounting began to originate during the end of the 18th century, such as a commonly accepted set of uniform accounting principles. The profession has continued on that path to the present day.